Development of new materials. Create your individual recipes. 100% reproducible. Up to 10 different materials are perfectly weighed and combined by computer control. And this with an accuracy down to 1,000th of a gram. The dry mixture is fed into the mill. A second mixing station for liquids is part of the system too. Now, up to 7 different liquids are combined drop by drop and added to the dry mix. 3 mills running in parallel enables simultaneous testing of different mixtures. The finished mixture of your desired recipe now comes out of the mill. A ready-made, reproducible mixture for your individual products. The system is equipped with touch sensors and thus offers protection for the operator. The development of new materials is vital in research and industry. Ask us.